Everyone, alright guys, so today I'm going to unbox a book combo which I ordered few days back, and today I received that combo and that is too good. So let's just start this and let's start that unboxing of that book combo. Okay, here's the thing. So I ordered this book combo, okay, through Flipkart. Flipkart is my favorite place to order anything. Uh, I don't know, like I have Flipkart Gold membership or something like that. So let me show you the price. So this is the book combo, like world greatest book for personal growth, and this is the thing. Yeah, I ordered this is the four book combo. So I already like yeah, this is the book yet not uncovered. Okay, so this four other books in this, right? Uh, how to win people, how to win people and influence people, friends influence people, the power of your subconscious mind, the richest man of Babylon, and think and grow rich. This book is all about how you can improve your communication. This is all about how important to things run in your subconscious mind. This is all about financial book, like how we can manage your finance to get rich and all. This is sort of I read book uh, think and the book was Rich and Poor Dad, and I get when I researched about that book after reading that book, that was very impressive book. That book changed my life. So I get to know this book is also good, and this is the one of best book in entire history. Think and Grow Rich. This is very powerful book. So I heard the audio book, but this is time to read the book. Okay, so let's just okay. They have good packing though. Okay. Whoa, this is beautiful. Like when you touch your new books, it's really beautiful. Okay, let me tell you the price and everything. Aha. Okay, this is good. I mean, see this. Okay, so what is this? This is a plain paper. Okay, this is the invoicing. So yeah, this is the offer. So if you go in market, you get one book at least around yeah, you can see the price US dollar. It's around 20 rupees, right? $20. So it's around 1400 ka book, which I get in 379. Like it was added from very long around 2 weeks से मेरे cart में add था, and then yeah. Ooh, this is like orgasm, man. I don't know why everyone hate books, but I love books. Just look at this wonderful books. Oh, yeah, as I told you, this is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This is one of the best book I ever heard. So now this time to read. This is The Richest Man for Babylon. This is also about financial growth and all, and how to win people. Oh, sorry, the power of your subconscious mind. This is also too good. I don't know, like you cannot smell through video, but I can smell these books, and these books are too good. Yup. So okay guys, I'll also see you in next video, but whenever you get time, just try to invest on books, try to read new books, and try to order such wonderful books. And sometimes you hit the jam, like me. I got this three, and this is great. If you see the price, let's just look at this. This is $6. Okay, this is again around $6. This is around $7, and this is around $6. So when you see this price, this is awesome. So take care guys, see you, and yeah, bye bye.